Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add WhatsApp in Google My Business in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you just have to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Google Business Profile Manager, and then you can log in here with the help of your Google account. Now, when you are on the home page, you will see the option of edit profile or contact or your business information, and then you will be landed on this type of page. Now, over here, when you scroll down a bit, you will see a bunch of different options here, like adding a phone number, adding a website, and see the photos. So since you want to add WhatsApp, you just have to click on the option of add phone number. Afterwards, you just have to provide that particular phone number of yours which has WhatsApp available on it. So as soon as you add that particular number over here, it will be shown over here on your Google My Business profile, and whenever someone clicks on that particular number, the WhatsApp number will be opened in front of them, so they can save the WhatsApp information, and then your WhatsApp ID will be visible in their account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.